Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your preferences in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Shein app. And here it opens up in the shop menu. From here we just have to go into the me menu. Then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. Then on our name at the top. Then on preference, and here we can select the things that we would like to find on this app. For example, let's say we are looking for men's clothes. We are buying for ourselves, and our favorite styles are elegant and workwear. And then we can save these preferences, and then the app is going to take these into consideration. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.